Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best smoothie blenders this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. NutriBullet NBR1201 Smoothie Blender. We've picked NutriBullet as our best choice today because it's quite simply supreme. When it comes to pulverizing fruits and veggies to make superfoods super smooth shakes and smoothies. Being healthy just got a whole lot easier thanks to this powerful 600-watt motor on a high-torque power base. What helps set this machine apart is the patented stainless steel blade design with cyclonic action. It can break down even the toughest of ingredients to deliver a daily dose of silky smooth goodness. And a perfectly balanced and nutritious meal in a glass in just seconds. Perfect for anyone with a hectic lifestyle who wants to enjoy the nutritional benefits on the go. The best key features are, comes with 12 pieces. Adequately grinds seeds and stems. 3-cup volume capacity. Comes with a manual and cookbook. Moving to the pros. Maximum nutrition extraction. Breaks down food to most absorbable state. Cyclonic action, versatile, powerful, hassle-free cleanup. Easy to operate. 1-year warranty. And for the cons. Seal could be tighter. 2. Hamilton Beach Personal Smoothie Blender. Want a drink filled with plenty of fresh leafy vegetables, a little fruit, possibly a little coconut or almond milk, and perhaps a pinch of spirulina paired with plenty of ice cubes? Yes, please. No doubt, smoothies have stubbornly been popular in recent years and for a good reason too. They make the perfect health drink for a successful start to the day. What's more, we can all agree that homemade smoothies are significantly healthier and cheaper than finished smoothies from the supermarket shelf. However, in order to be able to prepare these drinks at home, you need the right smoothie maker. Luckily, the Hamilton Beach Personal Smoothie Blender has come to the rescue. This dishwasher-safe Hamilton Beach Personal Smoother Blender comes thoroughly equipped with stainless steel blades that have been processed to a particularly high quality in order to provide you with creamy smoothies and an excellent mix result. Furthermore, the blender jug naturally has a practical scale, so that you can keep an eye on the desired blending ratio. While the capacity of the drinking cup was sufficiently large, a detachable travel mug with lid is also included for on the go. Whether for use outside or inside the home, this smoothie maker can impress with the usual power of 175 watts. The best key features are, detachable travel mug, 175 watts, stainless steel blades, dishwasher safe. 3. Ninja Professional 72 ounces Countertop Blender. The Ninja Professional Countertop Blender BL610 comes with a 1000-watt motor capacity capable of blending through food like a pro. It comes with an outstanding blade feature guaranteed to enhance the functionalities of this blender, cutting through fruits, foods, vegetables in an effortless yet effective manner. It also aids in adequately blending frozen foods, and it has the advantage of crushing ice as well. The blender also comes with 4 unique manual buttons programmed to deliver different textures of drinks all at the push of a button. Firstly, for the highest control feature, the drinks that need the soothing and chilled nature of crushed ice. This blender delivers just that, making an option for you to create those frozen special drinks at any point in time. Secondly, with lesser speed control, you get the advantage of creating nice textures of smoothies by adequately blending fruits to give a rich and outstanding taste all smoothies should have. Thirdly, there is the advantage of much slower speed control that allows for chunkier drinks and treats, such as ice creams and the likes of such, delivering amazing blend gradients throughout, and an all-round consistency. Lastly, you can recreate your favorite sauces and dips with this blender, completely erasing incoherency and delivering a great blending job. Overall, the Ninja Professional Countertop Blender BL610 is very easy to clean and comes with a 25-recipe cookbook, adequate enough for having fresh blending ideas and perfecting the ones that you already have. It gives a perfect blend of flavors and refined textures, and also has the capacity to leave satiable feelings after each blending process. The best key features are, 25-recipe cookbook. Effective 6-blade assembly. 72-ounce capacity blender. 1000-watt motor power. 4. OXO Pro 1200 Blender. Our next fruit smoothie blender is the OXO Pro blender with its powerful 1200-watt motor, 7-speed settings, and smart technology. There are also 3 pre-programmed settings that have been created to blend up your favorite creations effortlessly, plus dual direction blade technology for precise chopping and grinding results. A further pulse feature allows you to have even more control over those results, from salsas to smoothies and shakes. It's easy to operate and easy to clean too with a dishwasher-safe Boraclass 6-cup jar. It's durable and robustly manufactured, and even comes with a 10-year warranty, which is just exceptional. Besides all of that, the price is certainly impressive, and it also comes with a separate 24 ounces smoothie cup so that you can enjoy delicious and refreshing beverages on the go. The best key features are powerful 1200W motor and 6-cup capacity glass jar. Dual direction blade technology for precision and power. 7 speed settings and 3 smart setting plus extra pulse feature. Can crush ice and easily pulverize fibrous and leafy vegetables. Dishwasher safe parts. Moving to the pros. Dual blade technology, smart settings, versatile, powerful enough to crush ice, blends in seconds, dishwasher friendly glass jar, 10-year warranty. And for the cons. Base of glass jar susceptible to breakage. 5. Cuisinart CPB 300 blender. Cuisinart is somewhat of a culinary giant and recognized and loved the world over. This slim and compact-looking smoothie blender, from their extensive range, may look streamlined. But it's still powerful enough to create sensational smoothies in seconds, as well as mincing up herbs and whipping up plenty of other blended recipes. With sleek and attractive LED indicator lights, it comes with 3 settings, high, low and a pulse control. There's a standby mode along with an auto stop plus an interlock safety mode. Designed to fit in even the most compact of kitchens conveniently, it can easily be operated single-handedly and has a user-friendly electronic touchpad. Made from BPA-free shatterproof Eastman plastic, it's robust and durable and also dishwasher safe. Cuisinart CPB 300 blender also features ultra-sharp patented stainless steel blades, and there are 4 travel cups included so that all the family can enjoy their own customized drinks on the go. The best key features are robust and sturdy 350W smart motor. Patented ultra-sharp blades. Sleek electronic touchpad with LED lights. Comes with 4 portable travel cups with lids. Dishwasher safe parts made from BPA-free plastic. Moving to the pros. Compact and sleek design, variable control settings. Safety features, versatile, portable, dishwasher friendly, robust and durable. And for the cons. Limited lifespan.